Hello, sister. Today, we are going to introduce you to a dress
Round
model.
neck.
Here we'll have an ancient part floating on top. The body is worn at the buttocks and the hands are slightly
Bottom.
puffy. I will sew this style with linen.
Cotton is fine. And now
we're going to start with the design.
My sisters, I remember.
Give me a like when I watch the first video.
And if that,
want to support sewing this pattern directly
remember
on the fabric.
to comment, let me know.
If I get 10 comments, I will directly cut this pattern on the fabric.
For my sisters.
Then this dress is worn on, so I'll take the length of the shirt is 55. Then we'll build a perpendicular line through here. If I take a shoulder, I will take a shoulder. Divide by 2. 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. I took a passage that is equal to 16. If we lower it to 4, we will divide it by 30 divided by 5 equals 6. Then I'll connect these two. I'll take down the lower part of my chest. Divide by 5 sisters plus 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 gives us 18. I took it from this shoulder. Taking down a paragraph is equal to 18. Let's make a perpendicular line across. Then across the chest, we'll divide the chest by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. One way is 22. And then we're going to take a perpendicular line down. This perpendicular line, it's going to be the length. I have a lower waist of 35. Then the waist, you will take the waist. Divide by 4 and 2 by 8 is 64. Divide by 4 plus 2 and get 18. Let's go through a paragraph of 18. Then I'll get my ass. Divide by 4 plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 21. I'll forget the second part. And I'm going to connect this. Should go to bastool. And then we build a perpendicular line. Back to petrol. Split in half again. I'm going to draw the armpit line here. And from here, I'll take 3. Deep down, you get 9. I'm going to build this perpendicular line here. That. Here we're going to draw the old part. Then with this shirt we will measure from. Start down this neck by 8 inches. Back to 1 inch. I connected in. Then I built a section. The corner is parallel to the armpit line. That. And then you put your hands up here. It's going to lie outside, ladies. I'm going to put a perpendicular line up here and there. It's going to lie out against the armpit line. I'll cut myself for Arabic later. And then this front body, it's on the upper waist. From here, back to 8. Gradually a perpendicular line. And then we're done with the body front of this shirt. Well, in the case that you guys have different measurements. For example, your shoulder is 40, number 40 on or necklace bust 6.
Then you change.
If bust 6 goes to 30, bust 6 equals 5,
then you measure
it is
through
equal
others.
to another number. For example, my chest here is 80. If you have 100 breasts, I will replace the number 100
divided by
if
5.
we add 2, we get another number.
Measure
from top to bottom with that other number. Or 80 here, for example. My bust size is 100.
Then you change.
100 in the waist as well as the ass. Now I'm going to pass through and continue. Today I take 2 inches, up 2 inches for the next one. This line of armpit sisters Rachomi is 7 li. Out here is a piece of shit. And that's the posterior. And then I'm going to hit this part. And from here down, we're going to take 3.
Or
by the time you've done this, then we'll start cutting Arabic. And this Arabic of mine to share. For my sisters, there is no seam. My sisters left the seam in. That. Good luck with this live cut. Cut the live part, then you see the front and back. Then we'll take the big road outside. There is only one adjustment.
I will.
For this part of the armpit. This boobs it in is a gasoline. Because in the back, we plus chest level is just a millimeter of gasoline. And I'm going to ray trace this waistline. This mark for the waistline. Then we split it in 2. Then you can draw the vertical. I'll get the vertical part. This will be the back. Next time you multiply for me is this one is double. Then next you will cut me the towel first. First, we will cut the neck down. Shoulders, armpits. Then you will see that we have it. The previous towel. Here it is. Like I said before. With this shirt, you guys, get the old part. The body first, it will. I will cut this neck according to the body. I will guide you now. Let's have our sisters cut by the body for this neck. I put this neck up here. Here you put it up here. I cut it according to the neck. This shoulder you cut. At the bottom, I'll cut it. It's a millimeter of gasoline. Then you'll interrupt. That way we'll get the part. The bird's nest above its body will lie like this. Well, when you guys... Fortunately, this neck will cover it, and you're going to put the wren in here. I will create for the collar. After we cut it, once the neck is done, you will cut it for the sleeve part. I will measure the sleeve. Here I measured this hand part as 20. Here I measured 21. Then with puff sleeves, you'll fold the piece in half. If you have fabric, you can fold it in half. Then the sleeve puffs up here and it puffs up and down. So I've doubled this one up by 4. And then I started painting for the hand. Here, I will from the inside, I don't count from the outside. From up here. Then I'll give you a piece of it. Boobs share for 10 sisters plus years. 80 divided by 10 plus 5 is 13. 13 ha from top to bottom 13. You build a perpendicular line. Then you're going to cross the street with number 2 plus number 20. We measured it on the armpit line earlier. Body before and armpit body line after. I will be 41. If you divide by 2, it's equal to 20.5. Let's start with this head. You're looking for this number, 20.5, and we put it in here. Then you put the last one here.
Then we will be
20.5, then they split in 2. Split in 2. Then we'll get the sleeve. And from out here, we're going to measure it. In one part, it's by the door.
Dividing 2 is
so
normal.
We're going to go from 14 to 16. It depends on the biceps room, big biceps
then you will get
or
it.
Small biceps. The arm is here and we're going to cut this. I'm going to cut this. As you can see, this is the hand.
Then we are lucky.
Then we will expand. In this part, you may pull back. In the lower part, we may as well pull out.
And the hand.
In the front, you will cut it. Come down, give me a piece. Compare to the back arm. This will be the first hand. This will be the back. Like that.
I just showed my sisters the way.
We're doing it for the dress model.
This cute, ha.
I wish my sisters success.
Thank you.
Hi.
See you later.